Well, hello everybody. Troy here from Troy's Hobby, back again for another quick unboxing. I hope I'm not picking up any wind. I lost my little wind protector on my little Boya mic lapel mic that I'm wearing here. Well, what I wanted to show you folks today is the MOMAN CNC aluminum mini tripod that I bought off of Amazon with Prime shipping. It was like $31.99 with Prime shipping. This is just a standalone straight tripod. Opens up. I'm going to show you. We're going to open it up together. It doesn't come with a ball mount. They sell that separately. So if you're looking for a swivel and a ball mount, really heavy duty CNC aluminum ball mount, they also sell that attachment, which is another $30. But this thing is heavy duty. It holds 176 pounds, which is I think 80 kilograms. That's what they post on the Amazon description. Make sure you check down below for the link for the product. I'm going to have the link for the MOMAN tripod, and they also make that ball mount. It's separate. I just bought the tripod first because I wasn't sure about the quality, but this thing is a beast. But let's go ahead and open it up together. This is the MOMAN Mini CNC aluminum tripod, and it comes with a 1/4 and a 3/8 screw adapter. So you can use it for a multitude of items, which today I have with me. I have my DSLR Nikon D5500 camera with me, and the old school made in Japan Kowa. I haven't taken this out in a while, but this thing's heavy. It's a beast. Spotting scope. So we're going to put this on this little mini tripod that holds up to 176 pounds. So initially I bought this specifically. I bought the Osmo 2, DJI Osmo 2 gimbal. I haven't even received a shipping confirmation yet. So this actually arrived much faster. Well, because I haven't received the gimbal yet. So I bought this specifically just to use with the gimbal. I didn't want nothing that swiveled. I just wanted a flat surface, heavy duty surface, larger diameter. Let's see what's in here. First thing I see that's a negative, I'm gonna dock it in 1 negative star. It's supposed to come with a case. No case. So I'm sure I'm going to contact the company. I want that case. That case looked really nice. And the neat thing about this CNC aluminum tripod is it has little slots along the legs, so you could actually mount it to an object or to a pole. It comes with 3 straps, mounting straps. So if you want to get those odd angles shots for video and pictures, 1, 2, 3. There it is. Now it comes with a 1/4 and a 3/8 screw adapter for a multitude of products, cameras, whatever you want, scope, but just unscrews. I'm going to put it back on there because I will lose it. Let's put it aside first because I got some cameras here. My Nikon D5500 doesn't need this. So check this out. I'm going to get in a little close. Got the logo. Let me see where the logo is. There it is. So you can check them out. MOMAN, M-O-M-A-N. And this thing's a beast. Like I said, the site states that it holds up to 176 pounds. All metal, CNC. You can see the spots there. That's where you can put the straps through. And all 3 legs have that. And this is what I wanted. I didn't want nothing that swiveled because I'm going to place my gimbal. The gimbal attaches and goes straight up, and I want the gimbal to work. I don't want this to move. Later on down the road, I might buy that. Now that I know the quality of this is really good, it looks like stainless steel parts. The screws there, the Allen head bolts. This thing is nice. I mean, all metal, nice anodizing. This little, it's kind of reddish hue to it. Really nice. Nice mounting. It's really nice. The feet have rubber. It wraps around, which is nice. So for storing like this, there you go. I wish it had the bag. I'd give it 5 stars. No bag. So I'm gonna dock it 1 point for not arriving with without a carrying bag. But you can't adjust it. It's either open or close. Hi everybody, just wanted to make this quick edit in my video. I'm in the middle of editing my video, putting it together, and I had to email the company that sold me that mini tripod, It was supposed to come with the case, but it didn't. They said that the warehouse made an error, and they don't sell it separately, and so they're giving me an $8 refund from the $32 to take care of the issue with the case. I wish I had the case. It's not a big deal because the tripod is awesome, but I just wanted to throw this into the video and let you know that they made it right.
Items above. I just wanted to show you guys the dimensions, the diameter, the footprint. It's roughly 8.5 inches from leg to leg. Closed, measuring, including the adapter mount. Let's see here. 6 3/4. 1 and a little over 3/4. A little over 1 3/4.
My hands are a little cold. It's like 10 degrees out here. Just go ahead and see if I can do this. I should have put some gloves on. Simple. I mean, come on now. I know you guys can do this. There it is. All secured, flat. I have my 18 to 300 millimeter lens on, so you know it's a little front heavy. But this thing ain't going anywhere. Look at that. My table's moving, not this. I'm outside. That is nice. Once again, I chose this one. You can order the swivel, the ball mount. I don't want the ball mount because I'm going to be using this for that Osmo 2, which I hope arrives soon here. But just to take it off, simple. While we're at it, this one's a little more finicky. This is my newer 176S LED. I have 2 of these for making videos inside the house, but it has a little screw in at the bottom, adapter. Screw it in. Man, this thing is nice. There it is. So if I can adjust the LED wherever I want, up and down, pan it up and down. This thing is nice. I'm glad I bought it. Let's go ahead and take that off. Now, the heavier one. I should have waited before I brought it out. But this is a Kowa Japan TSN one. It's really heavy. So let's go ahead and has a mounting base there. Let's go ahead and secure it. I haven't tried this first, so if it tips over front wise, then I'm not going to edit. I'm not into editing. So, but there it is. Make sure the legs are all the way out. Man, look at that. My glass table's the one moving. That ain't going anywhere. I like these feet, the rubber feet. Even though this scope is a little on the front, you know, front heavy. See, this is doing a good job of keeping it in place. So that's what I wanted to. I'm happy. It's a little windier over here, so sorry for the noise if it's picking it up. But all I do is almost like a belt buckle. I did take the camera off, being that this is the first time I'm trying this out. So I ran it through the slots on the legs here, and just like a belt buckle through. And it snaps down. So that's one. Through one of the slots on the lower leg, same thing, just like a belt buckle. Cinch it down. Snaps. That's probably good enough, but it's an expensive camera. I'm gonna go ahead and put the third belt on. Strap, right angle, one of the legs, bring it around so you guys can see it through the slot there, cinch it down. There you go. My entire pole's moving. Give it a little, snug it down a little more. Take your time on this. You don't want to drop a camera or whatever. So let's go ahead and get my camera. You could probably do this with the camera on, but like I say, this is the first time. I'd rather put the tripod on the object or the pole, whatever you're gonna secure it to first. Well, there you go, folks. It's installed. This is not what I'm going to use it for. Like I say, I'm going to be using this for my my DJI Osmo 2. So it's going to be mainly flat on a table on the ground. But if you're going to use it for a situation like this, I would recommend buying the $30 ball swivel mount that they also make. You can find it in the same link, and it's $30. And I'm going to buy it next month because I could use it for this camera. But without it, it's hard for me to adjust, you know, the angle of this camera. But I just wanted to show you folks how these straps work and that it's secure. It ain't going anywhere. Well, folks, this wraps up this quick unboxing and test of the MOMAN Mini Tripod. Remember, this holds 176 pounds. I don't think I'll ever put that much weight on it. But if you like this video, if you like this product, please give it a like, smash that like button. Check out the rest of my channel, and if you like it, I'd appreciate a sub. I have less than 200 subscribers. Thank you. Small channels do matter. Have a good day. Bye-bye.